Well, I've been working on this KS42 Kryptonite made by Schlage, trying to pick this padlock. I see the numbers 86859, but I've already made that key and it doesn't work. I've been able to get 3 pins so far. From my research, you have to put a lot of tension on it, on this tension wrench. The problem with that is it's hard to work in there with all that tension. I heard that one. I lost another one, so there's still 3. I got 5, 3. Now I got 5 and 3. I lost the others. Now I got 4 also. That was 4 again. It just keeps popping loose. I think I want to work on this one at home tonight. Kryptonite KS42. Well, this has proven to be pretty difficult. Picking this Kryptonite. I'm going to take it home, work on it there for a little bit. So now I'm home working on this Kryptonite. I can get 4 pins out of 5. And I can't seem to see the 5th pin, which one it is, or feel it. I'm going to take a look in there. Right now I see 2 pins in the way there. Let me try and get them. And I do have a lot of tension on this tension wrench. Normally I don't use a lot of tension, but people online are saying you use a lot of tension. So I'm trying it. And it does seem to be working better. The more tension I put on, the more pins I get. If I put my regular tension on, or what I typically would use on your doorknob or deadbolt of your house, I'm only getting 1 or 2 pins. When I put all this tension on I have now, I seem to be managing to get 4. I still see that one there. I think it's just this 1 pin. Actually, it looks like there's definitely a pin right there hanging up. Oh, it's right there. It's just not staying up. Back through 5, 4, 3, 2. I think it's 2. 5, 4, 3. Might have been 2 right there. There's 1. I mean, I'm maxed out on tension. I can't physically put any more tension on this. I'll break the tension wrench. Some people I saw picking these the wrong way and then spinning them with a spinner. Now, I've tried that. I couldn't even get it picked the other way. They say it's easier, but I feel like if I'm getting 4 pins, I should be able to get this. I can feel it right here. I just can't get it. I can't push any more than this. This should be popping. It's that same pin. It's 1 pin. I got 4 pins picked right now. I can see right in there. Let's switch this over. Why can't I get that? One pin. Oh, I just lost one. I felt it. I was just going to get this picked and then show you it open at the end, not record it. But after a total of 2 hours of working on this, I might not get it picked. And maybe if anybody watches this video that knows anything about it, they could comment on it if I don't get it and tell me what if there's a trick I'm missing here. Maybe I should let a little bit of that tension off and try it. And I've tried raking it. I raked and raked and raked, and it did nothing compared to what this single picking is doing. I need a way to hold this. I need a way to hold this, the tension wrench, and the pick at the same time, where I can see it. I'll probably get the glare off that. Oh crap, where'd the pick go? There it is. Where am I? Yeah, this isn't gonna work. This is silly. That was just silly thought. Man, I'm blind. That didn't work. Closed the wrong eye. How the heck can I do this? Let's There's got to be a way to do this. There's one. There it goes. I wonder if I picked up too high on them. It's the same pin. I'm going to slowly let go of this. There's 2, 3. I still had that one lost. I'm not getting that first pin. I got an idea. I'm going to try a couple things. I'm not going to take all this time up on here. Well, I did manage to get this Kryptonite picked. After watching some videos, and don't mind the mess, I'm doing interchangeable cores now. A ton of them. I found out that this is supposed to be able to move a little bit. Mine wasn't moving, and I'll show you why. I've been working on this. I got a lot of time put into it. There. So now that it's open, I did make a key for it. See all that rust? This whole thing was rusted and galded shut. I couldn't get that bearing to move. I just kept cleaning it and working on it until I got it picked open. So I got it to move, and then I picked it open, and I've been cleaning it and working on it, trying to get all that rust off there now. It's all. Let's see if you can see in there. That's getting pretty good now. You couldn't even see that screw head before. Well, I guess I gotta go.